Right, so we're back on the job. We've got some more insulation, so we're gonna finish this insulation here, just this little area there. And I think there's a little bit here as well. So we've got another bag, we're gonna fill that up. We've got some vapor barrier as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the vapor barrier to the ceiling, and we're actually gonna do all the walls with the vapor barrier as well before we put our plasterboard. And we're also going to run our electrical cables for our sockets. So there'll be one under the window here, one under the window there, one on that wall in the corner to the left of the door. And we're gonna have two along this wall. And we're also gonna put one here. And then the lighting, we're going to have 5 down the line here, spotlights, and then we'll have 5 down here. And we're also, on either side of the windows outside, we're gonna put a light on the wall. One here, one there, sorry, on the outside of the wall as well. And the light switch, double switch, will be to the left of the door. And there also be a small consumer unit right up in the corner here on the wall. So that's where all our cables will get terminated. So that is it. So guys, like this video, share it, subscribe, and we'll see you when we're done. Take care.
You make my day, you make my day. share you with someone else. This morning, love is everything. Oh, it is showing.
That's all our vapor barriers done. As you can see, we've done the whole ceiling and all the walls. We're still waiting for our plasterboard, which hasn't been delivered yet, but it's all right. We go for lunch now, and then hopefully after lunch we'll have our plasterboard and we can start putting our plasterboard up. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed today. It's been a hard day, busy day, but we've done very well. I'll just show you what we've done for today. And tomorrow we will start skimming. So as you can see, we've got a little bit left to do. Just around top of the door and just around these parts here. And also at the bottoms of the windows and just on the internal parts of the window. And then we can put some angle bead on that and start skimming. So tomorrow's plan is finish that and see if I can at least get the ceiling skimmed. And if I'm really on point tomorrow, I might be able to get one of these, like this smaller wall here done, or maybe one of, you know, that small wall down there. But that's it for today. It's coming along nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you tomorrow.